Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. For me, even 1 minute is enough. The mind doesn't need control, it needs kindness. But how is it possible to touch peace in just 1 minute, a peace that many have yet to find? Stay with me until the end of this video and we will experience it together. Hello friends, I am Tan from LotuszenTan channel, and this moment belongs to you. Whenever life feels too much, return to this breath. This is your peace. This is your healing. You just need to focus on your breath. Notice how your emotions change and gently bring both your breath and your feelings back to a relaxed state. One breath at a time. If your mind feels heavy or your thoughts are running too fast, stop for a moment. You don't need a long meditation. You just need 1 minute to breathe. Whether you are feeling anxious, tired, or overwhelmed, take a short pause with me. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and reconnect with the present moment. Sometimes just one mindful breath can change your whole energy. Join this healing moment and allow your heart to rest. In this 1 minute mindful breathing practice by LotuszenTan, you will learn how to calm your mind and return to peace and we lose balance and fall. Emotions and breathing are similar. Just one moment of losing focus and a sense of joy or sadness from the past or worry about the futures make us lose balance and forget our inner peace. At that moment, the breath becomes irregular, negative emotions rush in, the mind becomes tangled, and the whole body feels sluggish. Only when we realize that we have the right to be peaceful and happy can we let go of unnecessary worries. That is also the moment we return to relax, comfortable, peaceful, and happy breath. Let's focus on our breathing and observe. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale with the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. When we pause and observe the mind, we realize that we often forget possible emotion, not just once, but almost all day. Just 1 minute of focusing on the breath allows us to let go, as if setting down a heavy burden, releasing the old habits of sadness, worry, and anger. Incorrect breathing doesn't show its effects immediately but accumulates gradually over time, affecting both body and mind. Each breath forms habits in our thinking and shapes our emotional personality. Shallow breathing makes the body tense and the mind restless. When we forget to breathe deeply, tension slightly takes over our body and mind. Irregular breathing disturbs the balance of the nervous system, affecting the entire body and mind. Breathing too fast nourishes anxiety and mental disorder, increases heart rate, causes fatigue, and leads to hasty decision. When the breath is weak, the heart and mind lose their natural rhythm, and both body and spirit weaken. Incorrect breathing limits the flow of life energy in the body because cells lack oxygen and nutrients. Block breathing hold on to negative emotions that the heart has not yet released. A lack of mindful breathing makes the mind easily distracted as emotions fluctuate and thoughts scatter without continued eating. When the breath is forgotten, both body and mind gradually suffer. Conscious breathing is like living half awake and half asleep, losing inner peace. Let's pay attention with just one deep, slow, gentle breath. A sense of peace and tranquility will arise. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. When emotion rises, the breath becomes the anchor for those emotions within us. A peaceful breath can calm anger, sadness, or fear. Breathing mindfully and observing the body and mind slows down the storm of thoughts within. Each gentle breath reminds us that peace is always near. A deep breath restores balance between body and mind. When we breathe consciously, emotion no longer control us. The breath opens a space where emotions can be seen and released. Through the breath, we return to the present moment, peaceful and still, where thoughts no longer jump around. Just one mindful breath can transform the energy of the entire body. Breathing in peace helps transform emotional pain into quiet understanding. But some may ask, is 1 minute really enough for healing both body and mind? 1 minute of deep breathing can bring peace in that very moment. Thoughts, it may not be enough for complete healing. However, 1 minute of deep and proper breathing is like enjoying a delicious meal, a good feeling that stays with us and makes us want to return to the practice again. If practiced correctly, 1 minute is enough when the mind feels tangled or the body is tired. When we truly feel the single breath, we naturally want to continue, and this good habit gradually forms. When we are ill, expensive prescriptions and long treatments can make us feel overwhelmed. But with just 1 minute of correct breathing, we can increase our confidence and boost our life energy. We begin a journey of self-healing for both body and mind, and from then on, everything becomes easier. Those costly treatments and long therapies can be replaced by a new habit of mindful breathing, one that brings joy, health, relaxation, peace, and happiness. One joyful and peaceful minute of breathing will lead to many more minutes of practice, and over time, a healthy habit will form. Whenever we feel overwhelmed, let us remember to return to this 1 minute of peaceful breathing to instantly restore positive energy. 1 minute of transforming negative energy into positive costs nothing, as long as we remember to return to it often. With gratitude, compassion, and love for all beings and nature, let us practice together. Inhale, feel refreshed, absorbing joyful, peaceful energy, the energy we truly deserve. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale and let go of unnecessary pressures and worry. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. Each day, whenever we remember, We just need to practice 1 minute of breathing whenever we feel tense or stressed. With a relaxed attitude, not forcing, not striving, not expecting too much, goodness will naturally come. Whether slowly or quickly, simply listen to and feel yourself peacefully and joyfully receiving everything around you. This 1 minute we are living right now is precious because we are allowing ourselves to enjoy a new flavor of life, a flavor of happiness without attachment, as we blend our peaceful consciousness into a vast open space. 1 minute marks the beginning of a new chance, a new character, a new person. And just like that, we replace moments of struggle and fatigue with many precious moments of true living. We fully deserve to have many such moments. Wishing you success in your 1 minute and then many more minutes of happiness. The journey, the game, the breath will become more and more fascinating if you truly cherish it. This practice, just like a habit, is a key to unlocking every doorway within your body and mind. So keep watching and keep practicing with me in this video and the ones to come. If you have a thoughts or reflections, feel free to leave a comment below. And if this video helped or inspired you, please click like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you.